Now for the crash prevention tip from In Control Director of Operations Kevin Stromsky. Watch how increasing your speed by just 5 miles on the roads can cause you to lose control of the wheels.
We are going to do what we refer to as a slalom. And what we have set up in front of us are 7 cones equally spaced apart, and we're going to weave in and out of them, just like you see in commercials and things like that. And in class we do this for a whole bunch of reasons, but one of the things we want to teach today, or demonstrate today, is how speed affects the amount of control we have over a vehicle. So we're going to go through at increasing speeds. We're going to do the slalom at 25 miles an hour, which should be a relatively comfortable speed to go through. So this isn't too bad, nice and easy going through. We just did 25 miles an hour. I was comfortable, but you're getting a little uncomfortable. So now we're going to increase 5 miles an hour, but we're going to go through at about 30 miles an hour. And we're going to see how those 5 miles an hour affect the amount of control I have. All right, here we go. All right, so we turn in. Not a huge change, right, from the last run to this run. It was a little bit more exciting,
yeah.
But nothing crazy, right?
Nope.
25 miles an hour, and that wasn't too bad. We've done 30 miles an hour. That was a little bit more interesting, but still not too bad, right? Mm-hmm. Now we're going to do 35 miles an hour. 5 miles an hour more, and we're going to see the difference that it makes. Hang on for this one. So it's 35.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Turn back. See, your hands are going all over the place on the wheel?
Yeah.
Keep them glued to that wheel.
Okay. Okay. Alright, that wasn't even 20.
Alright, let's try it again.
Okay. Already breaking.
Give a little gas, a little more gas. Yeah.
Ooh, I went a little over 20.
I tried to start off going 30. That's why you had to hit the brakes.
Alright, one more time.
Turn back. Give a little gas as we're going through. Keep giving gas. So that's why I wanted you to keep giving gas, because it started feeling crazy. You just went from 25 to 30.
Wow.
And you notice it just on a couple turns.
Yeah.
What we're trying to show you is that speed, it really has an exponential effect on the amount of control you have.
Yeah.
So that's why I showed you earlier the change from 20 to 25 or 25 to 30 wasn't nearly as bad as 30 to 35. Even though it's 5 miles an hour, it makes a bigger and bigger difference to what you can do behind the wheel of the car.
If you're interested in seeing other segments, check out the Hometown Talents and Treasures Facebook page or go to my YouTube page.